You want to see the clip of her smashing her guitar?
No. I'm in the zone of Lightning Tower. I would say it's Japanese name, but I actually don't know the word for tower in Japanese. And please don't say Tawa. That's a Calvin joke.
That's a that's a misunderstanding of katakana joke.
Calvin, when I tell him that there's a singular N in Japanese.
No. Tawa. That's so stupid.
What would it be?
Good question. Let me fuck around in the translator.
No, I mean like...
Oh wait, never mind. I just realized I removed Japanese because it was getting in the way of my fucking game.
Damn, imagine.
Let me put that on.
What would you do if in like a year I was like, hey Brian, you wanna watch an anime with me? And you're like, sure. And then I watch it without subtitles. What would you do?
Oh man, Matt, what does it say?
No, just like, no, anytime you ask that, I just like clown you and like, bro, it's literally basic English, even though it's not English.
I'll be like, I might as well just jump in at that point. Might as well jump. Might as well jump. Nihongo. Okay, there we go. Me searching Nihongo instead of Japanese. What the fuck is set as my Windows display language? Windows features like settings and File Explorer will appear in this language.
I've literally lost like a really good cycle because of you. No, not because of you, Brandon. I like you. Oh shit! Okay.
I think of all the education that I've had, but then my homework was never quite like this.
Brandon, I'm creaming my pants!
Oh. Dude. Did it for like one more second.
Yeah, fun fact, doing this a second time actually doesn't save time.
Got it bad, got it bad.
It's just, I don't feel like actually, oh my god. Lilac, you fucking bitch.
Got it
should
bad,
be like a 145?
so...
Yep. 2 seconds ahead of record.
Hey, if you sing a song yourself, can you get copyright stricken? That's a good question.
No, because you're not.
Damn. The covers aren't copyright material. Okay, I can't tell if you're doing well or not because the stream is running at like...
Yes! Let's fucking go!
The stream is running at like...
Fuck this level! I hate everything!
Oh dude, you got 21. Isn't that what you wanted? 21.
The run itself isn't that amazing, honestly. You could definitely get a 1x, but like... I don't like this level, so I'm satisfied.